5 interesting facts about vultures. 1. Keen eyesight. Vultures have exceptional eyesight, allowing them to spot carrion from great distance. 2. Wide wingspans. Vulture wingspans can range from 5 to 11 feet, aiding them in soaring effortlessly. 3. Thermoregulation. They regulate body temperature by urinating on their legs, and the evaporating urine helps cool them. 4. Swift flyers. Some vultures can reach speeds of 60 miles per hour in flight. 5. Longevity. Vultures can have long lifespans, with some species living up to 30 years in the wild.